Okay, we'll start. See, when it comes to identities, we use few formulas. It is all about bracket rule, students. Identities. Can you see the screen? Is it being shared? You see the screen, right? Okay. Identities will have bracket. That is, look here. 5 plus a into 3 plus a. Here is both same or different. The values in the bracket are same or different. The numbers are different, which means values are also different, right? Amilda, can you see the screen? Okay, the numbers are different. One value is same, students. This is one type. I'll start from basic. Algebraic identities is I'll make it same. Are they same now? Values are same. I'll take it as x and x. The first alphabet is same, second alphabet same. What about sign, students? What is the sign? Signs are also same. If both are same, sign is same. How many times this is multiplied? How many times you are multiplying it? Twice. Therefore, what is x into x, students? X into x is x square. In the same way, if I multiply twice, I can write it like this: 5 plus x the whole square. How to solve this? For this, there are two formulas: a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. Sorry, there's one formula: a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? Do you all know the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Next, a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Look, what was the degree in the bracket, students? In the bracket, what was the degree of a? All of you know what is degree, right? This is degree and this is base. What have we right top? What was the degree of a and b inside the bracket? Inside the bracket, it was 1, right? 1. Now, after solving the question, the degree has become 2. So, we use this formula when two values are given inside, okay, and plus is given. And the question asks to find a square plus b square. Then we use this concept. Make a note of this, students. Then afternoon I had given a formula. What is the other formula again? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? No, no, no. A square minus b square. Afternoon we did. Shasha, you told you are thorough. Even formulas you're not answering. Okay, make a note of this, students. A plus b, a minus b the whole square. 1 minute, students. 1 minute. I'll just explain other two. Just write it together. See, I'll tell you when we use a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is used when we have two values. Two values, positive numbers should be there. Next, a minus b the whole square. We use a minus b the whole square. For example, 5 minus x is given 5 minus x. If two same values are multiplied like this, see, a value should be same, b value also position should be same, minus same. Then 5 minus x the whole square. They can either give it like this or they can give it like this. For both we use a minus b the whole square. Okay, for both we use the same. Next, what is a plus b into a minus b? See, when it comes to a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square, look, both will be plus. The values also will be same. Everything will be same, students. Here, a minus b is twice. Observe this. Everything is same. But when it comes to a square minus b square, a plus b is same. Signs are different. One will have plus sign, one will have minus sign. Next, I'll take these two values, a plus b and a minus b. If I add both together, a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equals to 2a square plus b square. Let me see if you have questions. No. So this is not required. Just copy these three students. Complete this. Write it whatever I've written, write the same way. And once you complete it, let me know, unmute and let me know. You can start the next one. Don't be slow. Okay. Completed all of your A plus B. Observe the values. Fine. If the values are not same, students, here these three formulas. Observe three formulas. Bracket everything is same, plus. Bracket is same, values minus. You use A minus B the whole square. If bracket is given, one is plus, one is minus, A square minus B square. What if both are not same? 5 plus A. If values are not same, 3 plus A. Both should be same. Do you think both are same here? Both are not same, right? Only the second one is same. Then we can't use specific story. We can't use either of these formulas. We can't use them. Then how do you solve this? We use bracket method. What is bracket method? You take the first sign 5 out. And now concentrate. Are you there online? Concentrate this part. Take take 5 outside. In bracket this one 3 plus A. Basically we are multiplying 5 with the students. Next, take plus A outside. In bracket 3 plus A. Then bracket 2. Just go through this whatever I've written. Most important part. If you haven't understood, you can't factorize. Sorry, you can't solve the question. 5 outside, we have to multiply 5 with these two first. Then, whatever it is, take out with the sign plus A, like this. Basically, identities is the opposite of factorization, students. They both are one pair. Next, open the bracket. 3 5s are 15 plus 5A. 3A plus A square. 15 and 3 is like terms. They are like terms. 15 plus 15A square plus A square is the answer. Algebraic identities. Using algebraic identity and factorization are one and the same. Opposite values. Completed? I mean, got to know how to solve this, students. Understood? Bracket method. Don't write it. Don't write. Just go through. We'll solve questions. Yes? Sorry. 15A, right? Just 15A. 5 plus 3. Oh, we're not multiplying. We are adding, right? It is just 8A. 8A, Shasha. We are adding, we are not multiplying, right? Yeah, it should be 5. Addition, students. Addition 8a. Shall we solve questions? Shall we start the questions? Okay, formulas are done. Now tell me which formula can I use? Whether I can use formula or bracket rule. Look at 13a. Are the values same or different? Different. All are different. Check this. Fourth question, fifth question, 6, 7, 8. Anything same? Response, students. Both the values should be same. None of the question both are same, right? What about here? All of you will respond. Then if it is not same, which formula we use? If it not same, for everything we use which rule? Yes, bracket rule. Next. First understand the question. It is easy to solve. Tell me what formula can we use here for this 13b? First one, values are same. All of you will respond. But what about the sign? One is plus and one is minus. Then which formula do we use? A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? What is a plus b into a minus b, students? A square minus b square. So we have to use a square minus b square concept here. Next, 13b. 13c, which formula do we use? If square is given and plus is given, a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square? First exercise, b the whole square. I'll teach how to solve. Next, which one? That's it. If you have understood this concept, we'll start solving. It is easy to solve. And only few questions, hardly 5, 6 questions will do. First thing, bracket rule, students. 1 plus and 1 minus I'll do. 1 plus. Basic question I'll solve. We'll start with the second question. B plus 2 into B plus 9. How do you solve this? I want all of you to unmute. Anna, Amelda, unmute the call, students. Shasha, Andre, unmute and tell me which one I should take first. B, and I have to multiply. Next, plus 2 into, yes, what is B into B? B square plus 9B plus 2B into 9 twos are 18. B square plus 18 as it is. What is 9 plus 2? 11. Understood? Okay, I want you all to try which was one minus question. Try the sixth question, fourth question. Wait, I'll do one more, students. I'll do one more. After that, I'll give you all 2 questions. Okay, this question did not have denominator. We'll take fourth question. All of you will answer the fourth one. It's same. When denominators are given, we reduce them. We reduce it. Remember. Yeah? Fourth question. T plus 4 by 3. Yeah, Anna, you can just unmute. When you're answering, you can unmute it. Now you can do. Okay, T plus T plus 4 by 3, T plus 1 by 3. So take T common in bracket T plus 1 by 3. 4 by 3 in bracket T plus 1 by 3. First step, just check what I have done, students. Multiply. What is T into T? T square plus T by 3 plus 4T by 3 plus. How do you multiply 4 by 3 into 1 by 3? What's the answer? We did in rational numbers. 4 ones are 4, 3 threes are 4 by 9. Very good. 4 by 9. Now see, these two are like terms. It has T and 3 by T. Take LCM. What do you get for LCM, students? LCM is 3 t plus 1. What is 1t plus 4t? 5t. This is the answer. Go through this and I want you all to solve two questions. Enough. Two questions are enough. One, I want you all to solve fourth main first one and for these two questions. Let me minimize. First, go through, students. Don't immediately start. Yeah, whatever I've written here, go through this. Then you can try these two questions. Once you're done, let me know. And even this question. You have to multiply along with the sign. Take the sign, minus sign, and do it. Complete it. Completed or still doing, students? Others, shall I solve? Okay, b minus 13, b plus 10. Remember, both are different. I mean, one value is different, both should be same. One value is different, use bracket rule, b into b plus 10. Just don't sit and watch, practice, students, practice. You might think it is easy. Only when you do, you'll get to know. B square plus 10b. And what did you get here? Minus 13b, minus into plus is minus 130, right? If you have written plus 130, wrong, minus 130. Now, b square minus 130 remain as it is. What is plus into minus? Minus 13 minus 10. Very good. Minus 3b is the answer. Next, x minus 1 by 2, x plus 3 by 2. Both are different. Take x out. X into x, x square plus 3x by 2. Minus x by 2. Minus into plus minus. What's the value? 3 by 4. Take LCM. What's LCM, students? 2. What is 3x minus 1x? Plus 2x, right? Isn't it plus 2x? X square plus 2x divided by 2 minus 3x. Which one gets reduced here? That you all forgot? Yes, 2 and 2, you have to reduce it, students. Check till the last, you'll have to factorize. Minus 3 by 4. Don't take LCM for this, keep it as it is. This is the answer. Next one. 5x minus 2, 5x minus 7. 5 outside, x plus x minus 7. 5 5s are, what is 5 5s are, students? 25. What is x into x? X square. So it is 25x square. Just multiply. Next, minus 35x. Minus 5 2s are 10x. Minus into minus is plus, 7 2s are 14. 25x square plus 14 remains as it is. What's the answer for this? Minus into minus is minus into minus plus. 35 plus 10 is 45. 35 is greater, minus 45x. This is the answer. That's it. We'll move on to the next exercise. Let's be quick. Next one. Yeah. Now tell me this value, students. Both the values are same, but the value is different. Now signs are different. Which formula do we use? Look at first question. Doesn't it look like a plus b and a minus b? Right? What is a plus b and a minus b? Answer a square minus b square. Now use the same formula. Look here. A square minus b square. What is the value of a? A is y. What is the value of b? 9. What's the answer? Y square minus 81. Remember, afternoon we did in the other way. When y square minus 81 is given, how do you factorize? How do I write 9 square? 8 square as 9 square. Y plus 9 into y minus 9. This is how we factorize, right? Factorization, yeah. This is algebraic identities. You allow the 13th chapter? Okay, I think Amil has. Fine. So, see, both are just the opposite students. Look at both. If they give y plus 9 into y minus 9, you have to use a square minus b square concept. You get y square minus 9. If they give y square minus 9 and tell you to find the factors, you have to expand it. Just write this question, write once, you'll get an idea. This part is algebraic identity. From year to year, this is factorization. Okay. Next question. We'll try another one question. We'll try this question. Everything is easy. How do you solve this, students? T divided by 2. Which rule do we apply? A square minus b square or bracket method? Be quick. Yes. Look here. The first two values are same. If they're same and if the signs are opposite, use a square minus b square. What is a value here and what is b? T by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Understood? When you open the bracket, t square by 4 minus, here what do you all get? 1 by 9. No need to take LCM. 1 by 9. Try one question. You all try this. Yeah, do one thing. Try to write it in a textbook itself, students. Try these two questions. This one and this one. First main, fourth one, and third main. Enough. Just three questions enough. You will get basic questions in this. What is A in this? Can you tell me what is A? A itself. What is B? No, not minus. Don't take minus. In bracket, and one more thing, in bracket, don't take any sign, students. Just the value. Don't take minus. A square minus, when you open the bracket, 4 by 9. Try this part. In bracket, you shouldn't take any sign. Just the numbers. Take the values. Correct. A square by 9 minus B square by 16. This is algebraic identities. The same question, if I ask for factorization, how will you convert the students? A square, you will write 9 as what? 9 will convert into b square. B square, 4 square. So you can write a by 3 the whole square minus b by 4 the whole square. This we use the reverse formula. A plus b into a minus b. A plus 3b by 4 into a by 3 minus b by 4. Are we getting the same value? Got the same value, right? This is the conversion, students. So that's the reason I'm teaching you step by step. Okay. If at all we started very early, I could have completed all this for unit one. By now, you would have been thorough with all these topics. All these are very easy topics: expansion, factorization, percentage, rational numbers. Tough concepts are area, perimeter, volume, then that time and work. Those are tough. Okay, next. That's it, right? Any doubts? So look here. Formulas I've already written, students. As per that, I'm solving. After the class, if you want, try one or two questions or just ignore. So a square minus b square is done. Bracket rule is done. Bracket method. Okay, these two are done. Now the pending is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Most important concept. You'll get one question for 3 marks. A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Look at this. First main. And what about 13D? 13D is MCQ. It's the same. MCQ is also same. Same concept they'll give you. Next. Expand is given. Expansion. Expand. Let me take the first question. Second question. Which formula do we use here? There are two values, square outside and plus inside. Which formula? A plus b the whole square. Take this as a, take this as b whole square. What is a plus b the whole square formula, students? No, no, no. Plus ab. Plus 2ab. This. Next, I'll take one minus. I'll do it simultaneously. Next, we have x minus 9 the whole square. See, they would give it like this, or to confuse, they'll even give it like this. Everything will be same. How many times x minus 9 is multiplied? How many times? Twice. It is actually like this. It is actually x minus y the whole square. To confuse students, they would give it like this. So both are same, students. Don't get confused. Both are same. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So you look at the formula. Aren't these two same for both? A square plus b square is same. If it is plus, what is the sign you have to put? Plus 2ab. If it is minus, minus 2ab. Now I'll expand. Now I'll expand this. See, very simple. Write the same way, students. Even for the test, below this write formula. What is a value? What is a value? Compare it. What is a value? 2a the whole square. What is b? 7. Don't take any sign. See, I'm not taking plus, minus. Nothing should be taken. Only numbers. Plus 2 into what is a value again? 2 into 2 into 7. Now open the bracket. What is 2a the whole square? This square you have to multiply with both. You get 4a square. What is 7 square? 49. Multiply all three. 2 twos are 4, 7, 4 sevens are 28. Any doubts in this? Understood? Tell me the next one, students. A square plus again b square minus 2 into a into b. What is 2? What is a here? X. Compare it. What is b? Ah, yeah, 9. Don't take minus 9. Remember, don't take minus 9. Just the numbers 9. 2 into a into 9. Nowhere I'm taking signs. X square plus 9 square is 81. Minus 2 nines are 18. Any doubts in this? Any doubts or have you all understood? Both? Okay, try. First go through, students. Take your time and go through. If you have understood, I'll give you two questions. I want you all to try. First main, third question, and second main, third question. First main, third, and second main, third. First go through this. I marked the questions. I marked it. Complete and do that. Okay, all of you completed or still doing? And practice students will get one question for 3 marks. You'll either get like this, two marks, or one more. There is one more pattern. Anna completed. Amilda, Anna. Look, first main, third one. 8 plus 3p whole square. I'll do it directly. 8 square plus 3p the whole square plus 2 into 8 into 3p. What's the answer you got? 64 plus 9p square plus. Response students. Not 16. No, multiply this. Entire numbers you have to multiply. For multiplication, there is no like term unlike. Multiply this. 2 threes are 6. 6 eights are 48. We should multiply the entire thing. Next for this, I'll do it directly. 3a square plus 2 square minus 2 into 3a into 2. What is 3a square? 9a square plus 2 square is minus, multiply all these three. 2 threes are 6. 6 twos are 12 is the answer. Okay, now one more question. What if two values are there? They ask only these type of question. What if two values are there? See, a square, this is a square plus this is b square plus, I'm just writing the direct answer, a square b square plus 2 into a value 3a by 5 into b value 5b by 3. Open the bracket, answer this students. When you open the bracket, what do you get? This 2 you have to multiply with all three. 9a square divided by 25. Next one. Yes, which one gets cancelled here? Before multiplying, which one can we cancel? 5 and 5, 3 and 3. What is left? 2ab is left. Understood students, is it clear? Okay, I want you all to try one question. Try this seventh one. First go through this whatever I've written students. First go through. Don't make silly mistakes. Then try the seventh one. Done. Shall we do the next one? What's the value for the students? 2 minus is given, but a square, the formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 2a. What's the final answer? 4 by a square plus 9 by b square. I think you can't cancel anything. You have to multiply. 12ab. Right? Okay. Next. This is the most important part now. This is cancelled. Okay. All these are cancelled. You put x. The students respond. Amilda online. You cancelled your Amilda. Not there. Okay. Last, we'll solve 2 or 3 students. See, most important part. This type of question. They'll give you a plus b is equals to 8. AB is equals to 15. They've asked us to find a square plus b square. Previously, they gave in the bracket students. Now they've given the answer. A plus b is 8. We need to find. I'll tell you how to solve. What's the degree for this? Tell me the degree. The degree is 1 for both. But what degree we need to find? 2. What's the only way, students? The only way to find the answer is you have to square them, right? You have to square. So look simple. Take this degree. A plus b. Square on both the sides. Look at square it on both the sides. First concept. Square on both the sides. Next. After this, what is a plus b the whole square formula? Which formula can we use here? A plus b or a minus b? What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus is equal to what is 8 square? 8 square is 60. In this, what answer we need? We need a square minus b square. Keep that on the left hand side. Whatever is there, shift on the right hand side is equals to 64. Shift this to the right hand side minus 2ab. Now 64 minus what is ab value given? In the question, what is ab, students? AB is 15. This is the second type of question you saw. 2 into 15. So 64 minus 30, the answer is 34. So therefore, a square minus a square plus b square is equals to 34 is the answer. This is the question they'll give. Look here. They'll give you a plus b value, ab value. They'll ask you to find a square minus b square. You'll definitely get one question from this for 3 marks, students. 3 marks. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? Do you have any doubts? Respond. No? Okay. Try this. We'll do another 2 questions. First, go through whatever I've done. Yes, students understood how to solve, completed. Yeah, take the question and square on both the sides. We need to get the square value, then apply a plus b the whole square. Now, we'll try the other questions next. What is asked here? A plus b is equals to how much? 11. What are the values given? A square plus b square is equals to 61. What do we need to find? We need to find the value of AB. Nothing. If they give three questions like this, simple. Take this and square on both the sides. Tell me, how do you solve this, students? I want all of you to unmute and respond. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is 11 square? 1. In this, what are the values given to us? What value is given? And what do we need to find? A square b square is given. In place of a square b square, what I have to substitute? 61 plus 2 into AB as it is. That is what we need to find is equal to 121. See, this question is similar. It is similar, but we need to find AB. Last time we need to find a square plus b square. Now AB value. Keep 2AB as it is. Shift 61 to the other side. 121 minus 61. That is 60. I have to find AB. What happens to 2? Along with AB there is 2. What happens to that? It gets very good. What's the answer? 30. AB is equals to 30. So, total how many things are there, students? If you understand that concept is easy. Total how many things are given? 1, 2 and 3. Out of these three things, which two has value? The first one and second one has value. We need to find the third one, right? Use the formula. Take the first one, square it on both the sides. See, you can't take the second one and square it. It is already squared. The degree is already 2. Complete this. Then I want you all to solve one question. Can you all try the 13th one? 13th? Which one you have to square it? Now, which one you have to square? Can you see third part A plus B? Take this A plus B. Okay, I'll teach this. First complete this. Complete this and I want you all to try 14th question. Try the 14th one. First go through what I have done. Try the 14th question. 14th one. The students done, completed? Look here, I'll show you how to solve. 13th question. 13th one, a square plus b square is 13, ab is 6, and we need to find a plus b. Again, three values are given. See, first value, second value, three value. So three values, we have to take the third one and square this time. We just take a plus b the whole square and square it. What is a plus b the whole square? Right hand, there is no value given. So what is the value, students? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Now in this, a plus b the whole square remains as it is. What is a square plus b square value given? 13 plus 2 into what is a plus b? 6. 13 plus 12. How much is 13 plus 12? I mean 13. How much is 13 plus 12? 25. I don't need a plus b the whole square. I just need a plus b, student. This square goes to the other side, becomes square root. What is the square root of 25? Answer is 5. Look, all three methods I've showed you all. They'll give you three values. For all three values, remember, take this a plus b and square, students. Quick, I'll give break. Then after that, we'll start area perimeter. Done? Okay, now a plus b concept was done. What about others? Done? Andrea, Amilda, Anna. What are these two students doing? Anna and Amilda. While online, students solving. Amilda is solving or sleeping? What are you doing, Amilda? Writing the questions? Okay. The same minus, students. That's it. Other things you all can try. Minus question. Look here. 15th, 14th one. Even 14th one same. How did you all solve this? Square on both the sides. What's the value? A square plus b square plus 2ab. How much is 15 square? 225. 225 minus 2ab. What is ab? 15th. We are doing the 15th question. Not 15. Sorry, 14th question. ab is 56. 2 into 56. Did you all get 103? 103 is the answer. Next, I'll solve only one. It's the same, students. See, for these three things, for these three, all three questions, take a minus b and square it. Look at 15th question. A minus B is equals to 1 given. Square on both the sides. If right hand side is not given, just take A minus B and square. Use A minus B the whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB is the answer, is equals to 1. A square plus B square minus 2AB goes to the other side plus 2AB. AB value will be given. In the 15th question, AB value is 12. 1 plus 2 12s are 24. 25 is the answer. 15th one. Understood? Do you understand, students? Okay, you will definitely get one question for 3 marks, remember. 16th one, even I'll do the 16th one. Tell me which one I have to square. Be quick. I have to take A minus B the whole square it. A square plus B square minus 2AB is equals to 25. Simple. Keep A square plus B square as it is. Minus 25 goes to the other side plus 2AB. 25 plus what is A into B? For the 16th question. AB is not given, right? Sorry, A square, B is given. Which one I have to substitute, students? It is slightly different. Just a minute. In this equation, what is asked to find? 16th one. We need to find AB. So AB, if they ask us AB, A square plus B square will be given. What is A square plus B square value? 53. Shift this to the other side, bring 25 this side. It becomes minus 25 is equals to 2AB. We should know all these things. How to shift left hand side, right hand side. Now, 2AB is given. 53 minus 25. That is 28. Bring this 2 and divide it. You have to bring 2. So 53 you get 28. Therefore AB, if you reduce it, AB is equals to 14. Okay, and this year you'll have option, right? Whether to take maths or EVS, what all have you planned, students? What you all have planned? Economics, okay. Andrea Max, Anna, Amilda. But for that you have to score well, right? So you'll have less time, students. Just practice whatever I taught you all. Practice whatever I taught. You can take. Why Shasha economics, maths is tough? Ah, correct. Okay, fine. 10th will be tough. Amelda, I don't know whether you're online. Okay, AB is 14. Okay, AB is 14. Next one, you all do it, students. Next one also same. Last question. See, last question, they'll give you a value like this. And they'll give you X and Y, students. What is X and Y value for this? X is equals to 3. Just put 3 here. 3 the whole square plus. What is Y? Y is equals to? Respond. 6, right? Plus 84 into what you have to multiply? 84 into 3 into 6. Just multiply the values X and Y. Okay, this is how you solve. I'm going to skip this. If they give such question, try it later. So 36 into 6, 3 square is 9. Multiply this. 49 into 6 square is 36. Multiply. 84 into 6 3 is 18. You multiply everything and add, you'll get the answer. Okay, take 15 minutes break. We'll start at 6 o'clock. Area and perimeter. Is it clear, students? All of you understood how to solve? Take 15 minutes break. Just stay. You'll be online. Mute the call. Take break for 15 minutes. We'll start at 6 p.m. Next chapter. Okay, now for area and perimeter, I'll just teach all the basic, students. I think we have done area and perimeter, right? You'll remember those formulas? Okay, just whatever is there in this previous, we'll do only those questions. Hmm. Now, first we'll start with square. Take down the formulas for a square, rectangle. For a square, the area, students, all four sides are equal. All four sides are equal. You will take it as A. So area is equals to A square. Perimeter is equals to 4A. You have to just multiply 4 into A. Okay. Diagonal is equals to A root 2. For rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. A rectangle opposite. This is length and this is breadth. So area is equals to length into breadth. Perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. And diagonal is equals to square root of L square plus B square. First make a note of these two and I'll teach you a parallelogram. And go through, students, go through this. Area is equals length into breadth. Perimeter 2 into L plus B. D stands for diagonal. Diagonal is a line from one point to another like this. This is diagonal. Okay, area, square, perimeter. Just basic, students. These two chapters, 2 and 3 chapters, unitary method, only the basics you will study. Remaining other chapters, thorough. Study it fully, study it thoroughly. Right? Because there's no time. There's no time. If we start, it's a lengthy concept. Next, this is square and this is rectangle. A square and rectangle is straight. Next, you get parallelogram. Look, a parallelogram. A parallelogram will be slanting like this, slanting. Okay. This we call it as base, students, base, and we need to draw height here, height, h. H stands for height. Area of a parallelogram is equals to base into height. Remember this, base into height. And perimeter is same. Perimeter is same like rectangle, 2 into L plus B. length, both the sides are equal, length and breadth. Make a note of the formula. Area is equals to base into height. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Done. I will made a note of the formula. Okay, area rectangle, square rectangle, rhombus to parallelogram. We'll see any question. Later I'll tell what to practice. First we'll solve this. Look at the third question 4, second one, students. And you all know the pattern. All of you know your final exam pattern. Section B, how many questions you have to attempt? Respond. How many questions? Total? 4. How many mains? How many mains they'll give you all? Look at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many mains? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Count, students. Total 7 mains, right? Out of 7, how many mains you have to attempt? Any? 4. So choose that mains wisely. Whatever we have practiced so far, if you're thorough with all those 4, do it. In section A, you can't skip anything. Everything is compulsory. Section A. Okay, then even MCQ. Practice MCQ. First, one parallelogram question is given. What is given here? Read the question, students. The height of a parallelogram is how much? Height is equals to what is given. Convert this into statement. Height is equals to 1/3 of base. How do you write 1/3 of base? 1 by 3 into. All of you respond. 1/3 of base is given. 1 by 3 into B. So this B comes on the right hand side. Take B as x, right? Let B is equals to x. So 1 by 3rd B, h is equals to 1 by 3x. Next. What is the value mentioned here? Area. If area of the parallelogram is how much? Area is equals to 190 centimeter cube. They have asked us to find height and base. See, area formula is given. Use area formula, students. Area value is given, right? Area value is given. Use area formula. What is area formula? In place of area, what I have to write? What is area of a parallelogram? Length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth is equals to 192. L and B. L value is, sorry, not length into breadth, height into breadth, students. The formula is height into breadth. Height into breadth. Height is 1 by 3 x into base, we have taken it as x is equals to 192. Or you can do one thing. You can do one thing. Instead of taking x, let base be as it is. Let base be as it is, students. Height is equals to 1 by 3b. Base, let b be the base. Height into base is given. Height into base. Height value is 1 by 3 into b. Base I keep it as B itself, 192. Okay, so this is base value we have to find and height value. Both we need to find. Now, what is 1 by 3? What is B into B, students? B into B is B square. 1 by 3 goes to the other side, B square. 3 gets multiplied into 3. So I don't need B square, I just need B, students, B. So 3 twos are 6, 3 nines are 27, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. We need to find the square root of 526. Let us find the square root of 576. Or if you know the direct answer, you can write. What's the direct answer for 576? Nobody knows? How many same numbers you have to pair, students? Remove the square root. How many same numbers I have to pair? Two same numbers. I have to pair two same numbers and take one number outside. One number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So base is equals to, see, you pair it and take only one number outside. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Direct answer for 576 is 24. Okay, you get 24 centimeter. We got the value of base. Once you get the value of B, substitute here. Substitute B value here. H is equals to 1 by 3 into B. That is equals to 1 by 3 into 24. H is equals to 8 centimeter. These are the two answers, 8 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Did you understand the way I solved it? First read the question. Yeah, first read the question again. The height of a parallelogram is one third of its base. Height. So for this I have written a statement. We don't know what the base is. Area of a parallelogram is given. Right? Area of a parallelogram. Complete this. Solve this question. Complete it. Just practice whatever I teach, students. Don't try to others. Don't try to solve other sums and waste your time. Just practice these questions. And now, what about construction? You understood how to solve construction? What are the chapters you have studied? Perimeter. Just go through this. Okay. We'll solve another two, three questions. Complete this. We'll solve area of a square, rectangle. I'll do two, three questions. Write this, students. Make a note. Practice later. All of you completed. Then any other question? Square cylinder is given. Find the length drawn. Okay, the square circle questions you have done. Two circles. Find the area of the bigger. This is ratio question, students. Ratio question. Look, this is 2 marks. Simple ratio question. The area of two circles are in the ratio 3:7. We don't use any formula here. If the area of the smaller, which is smaller circle here? 3 or 7, which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So wherever 3 is written, there you are supposed to write 432 is 2. 7x, students. Take it as x. No need to write formula. Use, this is proportion chapter. Proportion. Product of mean is equals to product of extreme. So multiply 3 into x is equals to 7 into 432. If you want to find the value of x, x is equals to 432 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. 4. X is equals to, multiply 7 into 144, you'll get the answer. Try this, students. Complete it. This is the area of the bigger circle. See, smaller circle, right in this place. Bigger circle, take it as x. Then what's the answer? And the value is centimeter square, students. Square, centimeter square. So don't write x, right? Volume. Sorry, area of bigger circle. Area of bigger circle is 108. Completed? All of you are done? Just study these four topics, students. There's one more. Area and perimeter of a circle. I'll just teach even that. And we'll solve just one or two questions on that. Now, area of square was done. Rectangle was done. Parallelogram is solved one. When it comes to circle, area formula is equals to pi r square. This is for a full one. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Pi value is 22 by 7. Remember, pi value is 22 by 7. R stands for radius. R meaning is radius. This is for a full circle, a complete circle. Next, semicircle. When it comes to semicircle, half area will be same, pi r square divided by 2, students. Divide by 2. A stands for area. Area. Area is the shaded inner region. Area is the inner region. Even for a square, area is the inner region. Copy this formula. Full square and a semicircle. Full circle, semicircle. I will made a note. For everything, pi value is 22 by 7. You have to substitute this. Pi 22 by 7. R stands for radius. Shall we solve a question, students? Just these formulas are enough. Pi r square, 2 pi r. Practice it later. Pi r square, 2 into pi into r, students. Like this. 2 pi r. Now look here. What is given here, students? Read. All of you read this 3 marks question. The area of a semicircle, area is equals to how much? 27.72. What do we need to find? We need to find. Respond. We need to find perimeter. I'll give even perimeter for a full circle or semicircle. What is the concept here? Full circle or semicircle? See, for semicircle, circumference and perimeter is the same, students. We don't call perimeter. It's the same. Look, the meaning of circumference or perimeter, it's the same. The formula is equals to 2 pi r. And for semicircle, whether perimeter or circumference, the formula is pi r plus pi r. What's the formula? 2 pi r. Just a minute. Ah. Perimeter is pi r into 2r, students. Make a note of this formula. Look at the difference. For full circle and semicircle, it is different. Okay, you all have to practice the question. For a full circle, area, circumference. For a semicircle, area is pi r square by 2, perimeter is pi r plus 2r. Write this. So there are chances, students, definitely they'll repeat 7 out of 80 marks, at least 30 to 40 marks from this question paper, what we are solving. Once the class is over, practice all these questions. I will make a note pi r plus 2r. Now look here, back to this question. Area of semicircle is given. When area value is given, use area formula. What is area of semicircle, students? Pi r square divided by 2. Right? From this, we need to find the value of r, students, r value. Once you get r value, you have to substitute to find perimeter. Okay? Substitute. So if you are feeling tough, just write the formula, do 1 or 2 step calculation. Concentrate on construction, probability, other questions. Next, pi value is not given. Pi value. I told you all to take 22 by 7 into pi value 22 by 7, r square divided by 2 is equals to. When you remove the decimal from 2777, you remove the decimal, you have to multiply by 100. See, 2 numbers, 2 zeros. Next, r square, keep r square as it is. Look at 22 r square as it is. 2772 into 100, divided by 100. This 7 and 2 are in the denominator, students. 7 and 2 are denominators, right? It's in the denominator. It will go to the numerator and get multiplied. 7 into 2. This 22 will get divided. This is r square value. Yes, go through the question. Area of a semicircle is given. Write area of a semicircle formula. Once you write formula, substitute pi value, students. Pi is 22 by 7. Now, reduce 22. Look here. 2 ones are, 2 11s are. All of you will reduce 11. Copy. Try this, students. Complete it. I've sent the question paper in group. Check the question. If they give full circle, use full circle concept formula. Students done? Completed? Reduce this. We need to find the value of r. The reason we need to find r is, look, they have asked perimeter. Find perimeter of semicircle, not full circle. Formula is pi r plus 2r. Okay, pi r plus 2r. In order to find perimeter, you need r value, r and r. So how do you cancel? 11, how many times 11 goes in this? How many times 11 goes? 11 twos are 22, 11 fives are 55. 5, 252 times, right? So r is equals to square root of 252. Look, 252 multiply by 7, students. 7 twos are 14. Or we'll do one thing, we'll keep 5 as 7 as it is. Don't need to multiply by 7. R square is given. R square. To find perimeter, the formula is, now denominator 100, keep it as it is. Don't reduce by 2, keep 100 as it is. Numerator, we have 252 into 7. Now 252 will factorize. 252, if you factorize, 2 into 126, 2 into 63. Look, 63 goes in 7 times table. 7 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are. So when you factorize 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, and there's one more 7 here, one more 7 in the question itself, like this, divided by 100. How many same numbers you have to pair? How many same numbers you have to pair, students, in order to remove the square root? You have to pair 2 same numbers. 100. For 100, what is the square root of 100? What's the square root of 100? I'll write it as 10 into 10. I'll pair this. Now look here. 2 into 3 into 7 I'll take out. Divided by 10. So 2 threes are 6. 6 sevens are 42. Radius is equals to 42 divided by 10 or 4.2. Radius value is 4. Make a note. Once we found radius, we got to know the radius. We'll find perimeter. Look here. Now perimeter. What is common to them, students? Use factorization. What is common? R is common. In bracket, what do you get if you take R common? Pi plus 2. So if you take out common, it is easy to solve. Here, R value is 4.2. I'll write 4.2 as 42 by 10 into pi is 22 by 7 plus 2. You need to take LCM. Complete it till here. I'll take LCM and we'll solve it. Okay, you all take LCM, students. Take LCM, try to complete it. Okay, when you take LCM, you get multiply 6 into 36 divided by 10. Use shifting method. So you get 216 divided by 10. If you use shifting method, you get 21.6 centimeters, students. Perimeter is 21.6 centimeter. This entire is perimeter calculation. Right hand part. Completed? Done, all of you? Okay, this was only question, area student, semicircle question, and make a note of this. If they give full circle, if they don't mention semicircle, use full circle. Same concept they'll give you. Use only these two formulas and solve it. Okay, area and perimeter of a circle, students. I gave you a square rectangle formula. Look, based on square rectangle, we'll just solve one question. 19th question. Look at 19. The perimeter of a square is given. No, we'll do the 18th one. All these are too lengthy. Just ignore 18th question. Find the perimeter, area, and diagonal of a square, students. What is perimeter of a square formula? What's the formula for perimeter? 4 into A. Area is equals to A square. Diagonal is equals to A root 2. Now, first thing, A value is nothing but 16. In the question, A is 16. So, perimeter 16th, we're doing the 18th question. 4 into 16. That is 64 centimeters. Area is equals to A is nothing but these values. This is A value, side value. 16 into 16. 16 into 16 is 256. Diagonal is equals to 16 root 2. These are the answers. So other questions I'll practice thoroughly. Area, perimeter, volume. Just practice whatever I've taught students. Just the question paper is enough. This is how we solve. We'll do one more question in square. Look at the 20-second question. I'm going to do the 20-second. in your textbook, page 312. The area of a square field, area is given, students. Area is equals to 32. We need to find diagonal. Diagonal is equals to a root 2. So if area is given, use area formula. Area is a square. A square is 32. If you just want to find the value of a, this 2 goes to other side and becomes square root. 2 into 16, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 2 is multiplied 5 times. In that you have to group only 2 pair students, 2 like numbers. Okay, 2 like numbers. A value is equals to, see, you take 2 into 2. The other value, the other root 2 will remain in the root itself. 2 2s are 4 root 2. We got the value of A. Now let us substitute this value A on the other side. In order to find diagonal, we have to substitute this A here. A is equals to 4 root 2 into root 2. And remember, root 2 into root 2, student, exponent concept. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. When you multiply two same values like this, root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 3, all these are 3 and 2 answer. So the answer is 8. Diagonal is equals to 8 centimeter. This is how we solve. Any question on circle, square, parallelogram and rectangle? Just use their formulas and start solving. Okay, if it is tough, just write the formula, students. Formula, solve 1 or 2 questions. You'll at least get 1.5 mark. Okay, try to attempt it. Don't skip, try to attempt. You'll get at least 1.5 mark. Understood how to solve this? All 4 of you online? Okay, Amilda, no response. What is Amilda doing? Online. That time we didn't respond, Amilda. You slept in between? Which question? Then why are you attending now? See, it is not, I'm not forcing you all to attend, students. If you had any other thing pending, you should have done that. Yeah, if you felt this difficult, you should have done that. What is the point of attending on, staying online and doing other chapter? Okay, we'll complete at 8 students. Because the more you study, it's of no use. Even you all practice. We'll end the class at 8. Clear? So mostly, what is that? Work and speed. Work and time, or which chapter is that? Time and work. Yeah, time and work. I don't think we can complete. Only the question paper ones will solve. All these three are very tough. Time, work, perimeter area, volume. Okay, what is the time? 7. Fine. You'll take 10 minutes break. We'll continue at 7:05. Enough. Area, perimeter. Just study this. I will made a note of this in the notes. Okay. Take 10 minutes break, students. 7:05 will continue. We'll start volume. Okay. Volume. We'll see. Okay. Take break. After break, we'll continue.